How to use overdraft on Cash App. If you're wondering how you can use the overdraft feature on Cash App, you must first qualify by meeting the requirements for Cash App Green status, which includes direct depositing $300 or more each month or spending at least $500 per month with your Cash App card. Once qualified, Cash App may offer free overdraft coverage of up to $200, allowing you to make purchases with your Cash App card that exceed your cash balance. The transaction will go through if it's within your coverage limit, and the money will be used to repay the negative balance from future deposits or incoming funds. So in order to use overdraft and get free overdraft charges as well, you must first attain the Cash App Green status, and as we discussed, you must meet one of the two requirements to first reach the Cash App Green status in the first place. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.